front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on System and Updates. Following that, select Language and Input. And over here, Celia keyboard. Lastly, click on Input and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. If you are using SwiftKey Microsoft keyboard, click on it instead, select Typing, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrect feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!